Tai Chi, adaptive sports, and 3D printing for the visually impaired. I'm Army veteran Selena Miners, and that's all coming up next on VA News. For many veterans, the Tai Chi Anywhere program has made all the difference for their mental and physical health.
Tai Chi is both a very slow, gentle martial art and also a mind-body practice. Some benefits you can experience from regularly practicing Tai Chi could be increased circulation to your hands and feet, increased leg strength, even if you perform the entire class from a chair, a decrease in stress levels, improved balance, better memory, and plus it's fun.
Stephen Fowler and Susan Sims are physical therapists at the Malcolm Randall VA Medical Center in Gainesville, Florida, and Tai Chi program coordinators. They say the program offers veterans a dynamic and unique experience, shown to improve aerobic capacity, strength, stress management, quality of life, and pain management for those who participate. The program is available daily through VA Video Connect. Visit blogs.va.gov to learn more. From the very beginning of federal health care for veterans, sports have played a role in healing and rehabilitation. After the Civil War, VA sports started with baseball and golf. After the Second World War, wheelchair basketball originated. Athletics have grown to encompass a number of new sports, and it provides therapy for veterans with limb loss, spinal cord injury, post-traumatic stress, and a number of other disabilities. In the latest episode of VA's Standing Ready podcast, we take a deep dive into the VA's adaptive sports program, past and present.
We can help anybody do anything. Ideally, you shouldn't have to fit into the sport. We can modify and adapt whatever it may be so that you can just participate on that and level that playing field. And I think when that happens, people are more successful and want to continue with that for different sports, ranging from wheelchair basketball or wheelchair rugby or those sports that folks are more familiar with to other sports such as bocce or sailing, or any sport now can really turn into an adaptive sport.
To hear more about the VA's untold history of medical innovations, you can subscribe to Standing Ready from your favorite podcasting app. Imagine walking into a large room, eyes closed, using only a cane in your hands to navigate. The room includes a set of stairs and a reception desk, and everything is new and feels like an obstacle. For veterans with blindness or low vision, this experience is a daily reality. To help veterans navigate unfamiliar or complex locations, the VA Blind and Visual Impairment Rehabilitation Continuum of Care provides tactile models of street layouts and buildings in a handful of hours. The maps are depressed rather than raised, allowing veterans to trace the map with their fingers, feeling for difficult obstacles like busy intersections or complicated corridors. Veterans and their caregivers can learn more about VA's blind and visual impairment rehabilitation services at va.gov. Just search for visual impairment rehabilitation. That's it for this edition of VA News. I'm Selena Miners. Thanks for watching.